this video, I would like to share to you on how to create a mirror with several methods. So the first method is really simple. First, you need to create a generic material and rename it as mirror. Okay. First step, for diffuse color, you change it to black, and the reflection you put a maximum, and reflection brightness 1, and turn off the fresnel. Then you can see the mirror is created. Let's try to render. Oh sorry, forgot to apply the material. Apply the selection. Okay, so let's render. There you go. We just created a mirror. So simple, right? Okay, so this is the first method, which is I turn off the fresnel. So what if you want to turn on the fresnel? Okay, we create a new generic material and rename it as mirror 2. Okay, so for this color we can just with this value 0.506. Only you can maybe you can put 0.55 or 0.5 or 0.57. It's up to you. But for the reflection, responding. Okay, for reflection, we make it value of 1, full value, and reflection brightness 1, and fresnel we turn on, but the reflection IOR we need to increase it. Okay. We can make it 20. Okay. We can make it 25. Okay, that's not really a big difference, so we can also use 20 value. Okay, so apply to selection and try to render. Okay, you see that? With fresnel turned on, you can also make you can also create a mirror with fresnel turned on, but you need to turn on also the reflection IOR. Okay, but the simple ways to create a mirror is with this first method: color with black and reflection color full, which is 1, value of 1, reflection brightness value of 1, and you turn off the fresnel. So you can create. So the result. So you can create a very simple mirror. And the second method is to turn on the fresnel, and the color is around 0.5, and turn on the reflection IOR and play with the value, which is 20, or you can make a 25 or 30 also. Okay, that's all for today's video. I hope this will be a very useful tutorial for you, especially for beginners. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. See ya!